Are you tired of scrolling endlessly without finding what you're looking for? Do you crave inspiration that sparks your creativity? Well, look no further. Today, we're diving into the world of Pinterest, your one-stop shop for endless ideas. Pinterest is like a virtual mood board where you can discover and save ideas. It's a place to find inspiration for everything from fashion and home decor to recipes and DIY projects. Think of it as your personal idea bank. Let's get started. First, create a Pinterest account. Once you're in, you can create boards to organize your pins. For example, you might have boards for Home Sweet Home, Foodie Finds, or Travel Goals. Next, start exploring. Use the search bar to find pins related to your interests. When you find something you love, simply click the Save button to add it to your board. Pinterest is all about self-expression. Discover your personal style by exploring different boards and finding pins that resonate with you. Whether you're a minimalist or a maximalist, Pinterest has something for everyone. Pinterest is a treasure trove of creative inspiration. Learn how to cook new dishes, create stunning DIY projects, or even plan your dream wedding. Let your imagination run wild. Connect with like-minded people by following other Pinterest users and joining group boards. Share your creations, get feedback, and discover new ideas together. Pinterest is more than just a platform, it's a community of creators and dreamers. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of Pinterest and unlock your imagination. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content.